Are you tired of awkwardly leaving a Webex meeting just to grab coffee or answer the door? You know the feeling. You sit there, stuck, not wanting to be rude, but absolutely needing a break. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to step away gracefully and return seamlessly without disrupting the flow for anyone else. No more disappearing acts. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Webex's built-in break feature in just a few clicks. I've tested this process a lot, so I can tell you exactly what to expect.
All right, let's get started. First, just sign in to your Webex account. You can do this through the desktop app or the web browser. Just get logged in. That's all you need for now. Next, go ahead and join or start a meeting. This can be a meeting you scheduled or one you're joining from an invitation. The feature works exactly the same way either way, so just get into that meeting room. So you're in the meeting now. Here is where things get really easy. You just need to move your cursor over your own video preview. That's the little square that shows your own camera feed. Hover right over it. You'll see a few small icons pop up. Now, look in the upper right corner of that video preview. You will see a coffee cup icon. That's the one that says "Step away from the meeting" if you give it a second. Go ahead and click that coffee cup icon. And here's the really important part. Webex automatically mutes your microphone and turns off your camera for you. You don't have to scramble to find the mute button or turn off your video manually. The system does it all in one click. That way, you are fully quiet while you step away. A banner will appear at the top of your screen that says, "You've stepped away from the meeting." And here's a nice touch. Your video square now shows a coffee cup icon with the words "stepped away" underneath it. Now everyone in the meeting can see that you haven't just vanished. They know you'll be right back. So you can go grab that coffee, stretch your legs, answer the door, whatever you need. When you get back, it is just as simple. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says "Back to Meeting." Just click that button. And just like that, you have successfully stepped away from and returned to your Webex meeting. Your camera and microphone will come back on, and you can rejoin the conversation right where you left off. I hope that helps you take those much-needed breaks without any of the awkwardness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.